So hi everyone, and this is the part 2 of GATE 2021 marks organic chemistry question solution. So in the first question we have been asked the major product in the given reaction. So as you can see that the substrate is or the reactant is actually a dienone type of compound and acidic media is provided. So this is basically a name reaction which is known as the dienone phenol rearrangement, where the dienone compound actually corresponds or rearranges to the phenol, and this part, the circle part, actually remains intact for the overall reaction, and this is the dienone part. Yeah. So going forward with the reaction mechanism, as we can see that acidic media has been provided, and the dienone part, the carbonyl compound, is actually be going to be protonated in the second step. And this is quite a big compound that has been provided to us, but the major part of the compound actually remains unchanged, and the rearrangement happens in another part of the compound. So the H plus or the acid media protonates the carbonyl of the dienone, and then what happens is that rearrangement happens, which is actually facilitated by a methyl migration. And we also will understand why the rearrangement is facilitated. So the methyl migrates to 1,2 position, which causes the overall migration and the conversion into the phenol. So this is basically a 1,2 methyl migration, we can suggest, that is from the point of origin to the point of termination of the migration. So as we can see that the methyl has been migrated, and a positive charge actually generates in the position where the methyl was present originally. So this positive charge is actually satisfied as here aromatization occurs. So here what happens is that the abstract of the H into the positive part makes the ring aromatic. So this formation of aromatic phenol from the dienone is the driving force of the overall dienone phenol rearrangement. So as we can understand, hence this is the answer and this is the product. Yeah. So thank you. Let's go to the fourth question. So here also we have been asked the major product in a transformation reaction that has been provided by them. So let us check the reactants that has been provided to us. So as you can see, we have been given a halo compound, and we have been given zinc, and an aldehyde or carbonyl compound is present. So let's get into the mechanism of the reaction. So as zinc has been provided, the halo part, zinc will be inserted, so we'll be getting ZnBr, and Zn is basically delta plus being a metal, and bromine is actually delta minus. So yeah, I'm sorry, I actually missed one carbon here. So yeah, okay, so I write the carbon, and the carbon part is actually delta minus. Yes. Okay, so the PHCHO is actually gets attacked by the carbon because the carbon has been activated by zinc. That is the the alpha carbon of the halo has actually been activated by the presence of the metal zinc, and what we get is we get the phenyl group, and there is the OZNBr. Okay, so here also actually again I'm very sorry for this, I actually missed one carbon again. Yeah, okay, so we have to count the carbons properly during the examination time, so that no carbon is missed and everything is okay. Yeah, so writing this a little bit in a different orientation, what we see is that there is like the chance of the O minus. So this is basically not even delta minus, so this is actually, we can also say O minus and Zn plus. So this is the chance of the O minus to attack to the C double bond OET, and which causes the OAT group to leave, and we actually get a 5-membered cyclic ring. So this 5-member cyclic ring formation is actually the driving force of this particular step of the reaction, and hence we get this 5-member compound as our product. And this is the answer. So in place of the phenyl ring, you can also draw the benzene ring as has been given in the options. Yeah. So follow the part 3 for the rest of the questions, and practice hard, write organic chemistry reactions.